In this video, we'll be looking into how to use AI in Palet, which according to me is the best AI implementation until now for building websites. You can go to this button right over here on the right bottom of the canvas. Click on it and you can prompt here whatever you want. So after prompting, you can click on implement. Right now it will say please set your OpenAI token in profile. So first go to your OpenAI account. So I'm on the home page of the OpenAI account. Then next go to the personal section and manage account. Now go to the billing area. It will say credits remaining. If you don't have any credits, you can fill your credits from here. If you have credits, like I have credits, so go to the API keys section, create a new secret key, and I'll create a new key. Then copy the key from here, go to Palet, go in the profile section, enter your key here and set. Now you can go back to the project, go on the AI prompt. Let's enter a basic prompt for now. Change the background color to pink, implement, so it will process and it's done. So you can accept the prompt or reject it. Accepting will accept the prompt permanently and reject will restore the previous state of the document. And you can also go through a chain of prompts if you are not satisfied with the output of AI and then accept it. So I'll accept it right now and then I'll give another prompt. Change the background to radial gradient with two colors, teal and purple, and implement. It will do it for you. Accept, and let's now insert a text to the division. So we have the text here. You can also prompt some more complex prompts like center that text and set font size to 200 pixels. Implement. So it will do it for you. Accept. Now you need to keep this thing in mind that the AI will act on the element which is currently active. So if you select the division and prompt that rotate it by 30 degrees, implement, it will rotate that division, right? It will act on that division. Now reject, and if you select the text and give the same prompt, rotate it by 30 degrees and implement, it will act on the text and it will just rotate the text. So whatever is the active element, the AI will get the context for that thing only. So you need to select your active element properly before prompting. But in order to do more complex prompting, you need to understand these 4 configurations. So if you hover on them, you will get the information. The first configuration is element or subtree. So you can choose one of them. Element means only the element's information will be given as the context to the AI. So AI won't receive any information on its children and grandchildren. This is useful when you have a very large website and you have to only make change to certain element and the whole tree is going out of context for the AI. And subtree is useful when you want the complete information for the AI to be known. So anything like layout change in between the children's or restructuring of element or anything which needs the complete subtree information, right? Now the next option, layout versus logic. So layout is anything you do which doesn't involve logic. It's just basically layouting. So styling any elements or adding a new element which doesn't need any context and is basically just adding the element, like adding a YouTube embed iframe or Spotify iframe or anything, or creating a SVG that is a circle text or something like that. Anything that involves layout change. And logic involves anything that is a logical change, like anything having interaction with the HTML, like when you click on a button, do this. Anything beyond layout and styling is logic, like adding a parallax effect to the document, to the website, is logic. So those are the 4 options you have while prompting. Now here's a little guide to AI, things that if you follow you'll get better results from AI. First one, be as technical as possible. So for example, you would say translate in XY directions rather than you saying move horizontally and vertically. So the thing is that AI understands technical language better rather than human language. Mostly the codes are written in technical language, like it will say a.translate x equal to 4 and y equal to 5. So it's easy for the AI to convert your prompt into the code if you are already sounding technical. Second, be as clear and as detailed as possible. So there should be no room for ambiguity. Like a simple thing like add a text that goes in a circle can mean 4 different things for it. It can rotate this text along the center, and it can put the 4 letters in a circle pattern, or it can rotate the text about its center, or it can put them in a circle manner and also rotate them, right? The more clearer you are, the more determined and perfect results you will get. So the third thing, keep minimal and only necessary work to AI. So for example, if you are implementing a parallax effect, you will just add all the images and place them to their correct positions, and also add the text and do whatever you can using the editor, and only leave the complex things or whatever is meant for the AI to the AI. So AI is good at small defined tasks and AI is bad at extensive tasks. That's one thing.